assessment gives the spectrum of anisole and points out that there are two different CO bonds represented by the spectrum. It points out that one of them is at 1250 reciprocal centimeters and the other is at 1050 reciprocal centimeters. Which is which? So let's write down here that we have 1250 and 1050. And then let's look at anisole to see what's the difference. Well, both of them are carbon-oxygen bonds. The only difference is in the hybridization. So on the one side, we have an sp2 hybridized CO bond. So sp2 CO bond. And on the other side, the oxygen methyl group is going to be an sp3 CO bond. Well, how might hybridization impact the wave number? Well, we know that with sp2 hybridized bonds, there's going to be more S character. That bond is going to be held closer to the nucleus. It's going to be a slightly shorter bond. As a shorter bond, it's going to vibrate at a higher wave number. The longer bond vibrates at the lower wave number. So the 1250 reciprocal centimeters is the sp2CO, 1050 is the sp3CO. And this difference of around 200 is common regardless of what atoms we're looking at. We'll very often see that as hybridization changes, the difference is around 200 between sp, sp2, and sp3. My students are even now giving me grief about the number of subscribers. So subscribe. I think I'm supposed to tell you. I think I'm supposed to say mash the like button. And now they're telling me to ask you to ring the bell. Hopefully you know what that means. I don't, but hit subscribe, mash the like button, and ring the bell. Is that weird?